Florido of General Luna Quezon hailed these four young women in their town. Jess K, Alisabeth and Jana spearheaded General Luna's community pantry on wheels. These ladies' project brings free food items around the municipality. They are able to do it with the assistance of the Sangguniang Kabataan, Ignatian Youth Ministry, local youth development office, local police, the local government, and some private individuals. Florido said those who want to support the Community Pantry on Wheels project can get in touch with the mayor's office or directly with the four ladies.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.